Hi everyone. In the last video, I showed you the step-by-step procedure on how to transfer the balance from your Paytm account to a bank account and to close the Paytm FasTag without any hassles. In this one, I'm going to show you a very simple hack on how to affix the new FasTag to your car's windshield so you won't have any hassles hereafter in case you want to remove it. Say if you want to change the windshield or switch to another FasTag later. You're going to need a transparent polythene sleeve which is easily available from stationery stores. It costs about rupees 2 to 3 per sleeve. Clean the sleeve using a microfiber cloth and stick the FasTag to it. Don't worry about the aesthetics, just stick the tag for now and cut the sleeve along the edge of the tag using a sharp blade. Use a ruler to get a clean cut. Remove the FasTag from the sleeve along the cut edges. What we'll now do is to stick the tag to the windshield using a 2-inch transparent cellophane tape. Use a knife to scrape the old FasTag around a corner and try peeling it off. In all likelihood, it'll leave a lot of the sticky residue behind. That's why you can use some WD-40 and isopropyl alcohol so it can dislodge this mess. We had to remove the dash cam from this area so we could get some working space and not let it come in way of the cleaning process. Scraping off the old tag's residue may take some time, but do it slowly and you should be through. Keep a microfiber towel handy to clean it from time to time.
Guys, so we have cleaned this residue from the older FasTag. Please be aware that removing your old FasTag will involve a very messy job. So you need to have a combination of isopropyl alcohol and some WD-40. So these are both IPA can be had from any electronic store. You can get WD-40 practically in any supermarket these days. So you can have a look here, the older windshield. We have cleaned it. A complete residue from the older tag is now gone. What we are going to do is, we are going to simply stick this FasTag using cellophane tape. So it will be easy for you the next time you want to, change your windshield or change the FasTag. Just peel off the cellophane tape and you're good to go.
No hassles on reapplying for a new FasTag, paying the fee, removing the old one, etc.
So we have this half tag stuck with the tape and we'll stick it here. Don't worry, your tag is easily recognized here. I am speaking from my experience sticking it in my Jazz. I have it stuck here and it easily works.
That would be all, guys. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.